bags have a secret. Check this out. Put the tea bag in your favorite mug. Put the string through the handle. And you see this little slit in the middle? Well, that's for the string to rest on. Like this. Pour in the water and the tea bag will stay in place. AirPods are magnetic. You keep them on top of your laptop. If you drop an egg, it'll crack perfectly in the pan. If you grab a block of butter and cut it in slices with parchment paper in between, like this, you can easily use it whenever you need it. When you're done scrubbing your toilet, just sit down on it and let it dry before you put it back. Don't store your silverware like this. Store them sideways and optimize that space. Missing a battery? This thing needs 2 AA's. I'm gonna put 1 and a AAA. Fill the gap with a piece of foil and boom! Works literally on anything. Anytime you just don't have the right size battery. Boom!
See these bumpies on the bottom of the spice bottle? See? There's a reason they're on there. Take them. Did I blow your mind?
So a little life hack when you're pulling out a stinger, a lot of people try to like squeeze it or flick it. The quickest way to do it without getting venom is just grab some fabric and just go over it like that. The fabric will grab the stinger and pull it right out.
So I saw this hack when eating crab legs, you know, how you can't get the meat out? You just blow it. Are you fucking shitting me? Okay.
Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first.
Dante do his shit like.
Now, I guarantee you've been using your salt wrong your entire life. What if I told you there were still a few more steps you needed to do? Step 1, remove that little cardboard. Step 2, remove that little piece. Step 3, cut that little cardboard off. Step 4, put that piece right back on. Now you have yourself a salt shaker. Now that's how you're supposed to use your salt.
So
Did
I
you
love the
know?
trick. So if you want to put a prepaid amount on a pump, you don't gotta go inside. You can just press clear and enter, hold it, and then you put in your amount. I just want to put in, let's say I want to put in 20. And I click enter. And then lift it. Let's see if this works. Oh, you see I say preset? Okay. Bam. Preset. And look, it stopped right at 20. How many people knew that you could press those buttons and preset how much you're going to pay at the pump? Like, that saves so much time. I ain't got to try to stop it at $20 and it be $2.20.01 or $19.95. I can just right be at 20.